barista. Alright. This is the ARK Sakura. Master Sakura ba rin? Pero may adjustment. Twisted may sabi. Sakura bat at Sakura protecting me. I'm fine. That's my father's sword. Acquire this piece of holy fire from barista and harm us. As long as we have this sword. That's how it's supposed to go anyway. I'll finish him. Now, you guys stay away. You're hurt, you won't be able to fight and you must have suffered. Buried or injured to all. You're not in great shape either. You've just was stupid. Don't be fools, we can get away. There's no way we'll be able to escape. We need to take this thing here on me. And now, I'm going to... Nice. I want to compliment you, but you were overconfident. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to lecture you here. Let's sleep before more soldiers arrive. Is Lubert still alive? I don't know. I see. Okay, let's get going. We'll be able to escape in all the confusion here at the docks. Vistern. You both did well. It's regrettable what happened to Master Lubert, but nobody is secretly in need with regrets anymore. We can relax a little. Use this time to get rested. I was so proud when you guys challenged and fought Master Lubert for Rex's reputation. As for Rex's friend, I want to thank you for standing up for us in the I'll mention it. By the way, what are we going to do with Barista? Don't concern yourself with that. The Crawfords will take care of it. I see. That is all. And I'll be returning Master Synthesis Sword, Lady Amaris. Do you think that's the right thing to do? I'm sure it's wise if my father keeps the sword. Sure, I don't foresee any problems. Not worry about it. Like I said, the crop lords are going to take care of this barista issue. Okay then, I guess I'll go and see a party. See you later.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British grenadiers.